What's up, guys? Welcome back to 357 Sawworks. I got my 4910 in the woods today, and I'm going to try to tune it up to make it pretty close to, I don't think it's, I'm just trying to make it run faster, not trying to get too crazy, because it's got a dual muffler outlet, it's been ported, just the basics, nothing crazy. It still needs a base cut. But without a further ado, let's see how she does. I did warm it up, so. Nonetheless, there's some horses in there, believe it or not, guys. Let's try to lean it out, see if that does it. Go with a quarter turn. Right now we're at half, one, half, 2.5. Jesus, 2 3/4 almost. So half, one, half, 2. Let's go with 2, see what happens. Because I said 2 3/4, right? We'll go with 2 1/4, see what happens. That's really. Back to the another let's try this now. Alright, so this is pretty much the baseline run. Let's forget about that last one. Alright, so not too sure. It runs really good like that. really rich. Let's go to... I took 3/4 off, so it's like 2 now. Fell right on its face, so no. That's interesting. That's the only thing that's good now is you can pretty much push in all the way and it's not going to stop running. So that's some good power. Small saw, right? Quite a bit of force on it, and it's not stalling. You see it did stop one time, but I was pushing really hard, guys. That's a good runner. So I'm going to do a timing advance and see what that does, because all that's done to this saw, dual muffler outlet, it's been ported. I'll give you guys all the port numbers. No base has been cut, base gasket has been removed, so gasket delete, dual muffler outlets, a light port job, and this goes to show, guys, it doesn't take a whole lot to make these saws run really well. You'd have to have the 2 saws side by side to know, like, you know, to do a comparison, like on a real hot port, you know, with like a 25 thousandths squish. If the squall, whatever, guys, you guys get what I'm saying. Have a good one. That was a longer video than I anticipated, but I think it'll be a pretty good one.